welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to create an Uber Eats account. If you want to create Uber Eats account, what you can do is firstly you need to download the app. You can download the app from App Store or Google Play Store. After you download the app, tap on open. Now you need to wait for a second. After you wait for a second, you will see over here your mobile number. Over here you will see mobile number, continue with Google, continue with email. Right now I'm going to continue with email. Now over here you need to enter your email. After you enter your email, tap on next. After you tap on next, you will get a verification code. Search for Gmail, tap on Gmail. After you tap on Gmail, tap on Uber. Now over here what you need to do is press on the code, tap on copy. After you tap on copy, go back and tap on paste. Now wait for a second. Now over here you need to enter your first name and enter your last name and tap on next and follow the on-screen instruction. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.